So, hey guys, and I'm going to be showing you today the, my ship that I have today, which is the, number 88, aircraft carrier CVN, and it's really cool. Sorry that it looks so horrible and dirty. I just put it in the pool. Probably in the next video, I'll make a video about putting this in the water. Actually, I put it in the water many times, but it's not really a float test. But see if test again if it actually floats perfectly, because it never did. So yeah, thanks a lot for watching. Bye.